In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple pages in Notion. If you're a Notion user, you'll know how useful it is to navigate between different pages, especially when you're juggling multiple projects or tasks. Today's tutorial will ensure that you can seamlessly move between pages without losing your place or getting overwhelmed by too many tabs. Let's start with the simplest method. When you're in Notion, you might find it useful to right-click a page link. This action will prompt a menu to appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Open in New Tab. This method works especially well when you're on a desktop, allowing you to easily switch between pages you've opened. By doing this, you maintain your current working environment on the primary tab, while other tabs provide you access to additional resources, notes, or tasks. Now, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, an option many users find more efficient, you can do this with a simple keystroke command. If you're using a Windows operating system, you can hold down the Control key and then click the page link you want to open. If you're using a Mac, this is done by holding the CMD key while clicking the link. Either of these shortcuts will automatically open the page in a new tab, which can save you several seconds compared to the right-click method, and is excellent for power users who depend on swift navigation. Why might you use one method over the other? Well, it largely depends on your personal preference and your typical workflow. Right-clicking can be advantageous if you prefer using your mouse or trackpad, keeping things straightforward and visual. Alternatively, employing keyboard shortcuts can be a faster method if you're already typing and want to minimize the need to switch back and forth between keyboard and mouse. Additionally, consider the aspect of organization. As you start to open multiple pages, you'll want to keep track of them effectively to prevent tab clutter. A good approach can be to always have your main project or workspace on your first tab, and open supplemental information to the right. This way, your workflow remains orderly and you won't lose sight of your primary task among numerous tabs. By using these techniques, you can boost your productivity in Notion, ensuring that you're getting the most out of your project management efforts. So, whether for individual work or team collaboration, always remember that having quick and easy access to multiple pages can dramatically enhance your efficiency and overall experience with Notion. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to try out these methods during your next session in Notion, and feel free to share any additional tips or tricks in the comments. Until next time, happy organizing.